Is the U.S. banking system sound?
Our banking system is sound.
Hi, I'm Alex Nitzberg, and welcome to the Alex Nitzberg Show. Well, that's what Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen claimed while speaking before the Senate Finance Committee on Thursday. If you've been paying attention to the news recently, then you're likely aware of the bank collapses.
We worked with the Federal Reserve and FDIC to protect all depositors of the two failed banks. On Monday morning, customers were able to access all of the money in their deposit accounts so they could make payroll and pay the bills. Importantly, no taxpayer money is being used or put at risk with this action. Deposit protection is provided by the Deposit Insurance Fund, which is funded by fees on banks. Second, the Federal Reserve is providing additional support to the banking system with a new lending facility. This will help financial institutions meet the needs of all of their depositors.
But Yellen assured that the banking system is sound.
I can reassure the members of the committee that our banking system is sound and that Americans can feel confident that their deposits will be there when they need them. This week's actions demonstrate our resolute commitment to ensure that our financial system remains strong and that depositors' savings remain safe.
That reminds me of this old sketch by John Clark and Brian Daw.
President Bush, thanks for your time.
It's very good to be talking to you.
Are you happy with the way the world's going at the moment?
The world is basically sound.
Do you have any concerns about the U.S. economy?
The U.S. economy is basically sound. It's basically sound.
Well, I'm speaking in particular about the U.S. banking sector.
The banking sector in the U.S. is basically sound. It's basically sound.
But we're getting news here that there's been a huge bailout of two of the biggest mortgage lenders in the U.S.
Those reports are basically sound. They're basically very sound.
Some economists are saying that this is in fact a meltdown.
The meltdown is basically sound.
The meltdown is sound.
Basically sound. It's sound, basically.
Well, how can the meltdown be sound if the banking sector is also sound?
They're both basically sound. The meltdown and the banking sector are both basically sound.
Thank you for watching this episode of the Alex Nitzberg Show. If you enjoyed the show, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channels on both YouTube and Rumble.